Hi guys, today we'll learn about email configuration with Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so first step, what do? We need to put one switch. Okay, the switch. Okay, the first switch 2950-24. Take that switch and then put inside here. After that, take two server. Okay, go to end device. Take two server and then put here 1 and 2. Okay, so once done ready, I want to take two PC. Okay, go to PC and then put here 1 and 2. Okay, so once done ready, okay, go to connections and then click this zigzag. Okay, and then click on the switch and then make it connection to the all the devices. Okay, okay, done. Okay, once done ready, and then go to server 0, click on it and then go to config. Okay, server 0 change to DNS server. Okay, once change name ready, then close it. The name is automatic change. Okay, and then move to server 1. Okay, click on it, go to config, and then server 1 change to mail server. Okay, so once done ready, close it. Okay, so now the second step, we need to add on IP address on the all the devices. Okay, go to DNS, click on it and then go to desktop, IP configuration. Okay, IP address put 192.168.1.2. okay, and then the subnet mask is automatic. After that, the default gateway 192.168.1.254. okay, so the DNS server also same as our default gateway 192.168.1.254. okay, so once done ready, this part, and then go to click on it to the config and then select the DNS server. Okay, so here, okay, before we enter here, okay, we want to do add a domain in the mail server. Okay, before we move to here, okay, close it and then go to a mail server. Okay, so go to desktop. Okay, after that click on it, the IP address. Okay, put your IP address 192.168.1.3. okay, after that the subnet mask is automatic, and then the default gateway, the number is 192.168.1.254, and then the DNS server must follow what IP address we put it here, DNS server. Okay, just now we put IP address 1.2, right? So we just apply that 192.168.1.2. That's all. Okay, so this IP address based on we put here, right? This IP address. Okay, so this is 1.2, this one 1.3. okay, and then once done ready, go to config. Okay, go to email. Okay, and then domain name I will put modular.com. okay, once done ready, then click on set, and then okay, I will create two accounts. Okay, these are users. Okay, users John, password I can put randomly 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then click plus. Okay, first user is successfully created, and then the second user I will create as Michael, and then the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then click the plus. Okay, I successfully create two users. Okay, so once done ready, close it. Now only we back to DNS server. Okay, and then go to DNS. Okay, the DNS off, right? So DNS, click on it on, and then name, what name I create as a domain. So put here modular.com, and then the IP address 192.168.1.2. okay, so once done ready, click add. Okay, the automatic here is display. Okay, so once done ready, okay, so once it's done ready, then close it. Okay, so the DNS and mail server done. So now go to PC 0, click on it, go to desktop. Okay, after that go to IP configuration. Okay, here starting IP is 192.168.1.4. okay, the subnet mask is automatic, and then the default gateway 192.168.1.254. okay, so the DNS server following as what IP we apply in a DNS server. Okay, 1.2. okay, so this part also almost done. Okay, and then next go to, once this part done ready, then close it. Okay, and then go to PC1. Okay, this part go to desktop, IP configuration. Okay, put here IP 192.168.1.5. okay, subnet mask automatic, and then the default gateway must be 192.168.1.254. okay, and then the DNS server following as a DNS IP, right? 192.168.1.2. okay, so once done ready, close it. Okay, so first I will put the name. Okay, so name like put here. Okay, this one is a John PC. Okay, this one I will put as a John PC lah. This one is John, and then this one is a Michael PC. Okay, this one is Michael PC. Okay, so the IP address also I can put here, so no worries. Okay, the DNS server is 192.168.1.2, right? Okay, this is the IP for this. Okay, for mail server 192.168.1.3. okay, this IP for the mail server. Okay, after that for PC0 I will put IP 168.1.4. okay, this IP is for this. Okay, and then last one Michael 192.168.1.5. okay, these are the IP address. This one just for reference. Okay, this one I put for you lah. Okay, so once done ready, okay, go to, before that successfully done, right? Oh, we just check on it lah. Okay, we try to send file PC0 to PC1, status successful, and then PC1 to PC0 is also successful. So the next step, now I'm teaching you all how to send email and then receive by another PC. Okay, send receive email. So, okay, first thing, go to John, click on it, PC0, and then go to a email, click on it. Okay, your name. Okay, your name. Okay, put here. Okay, your name, you can put John. Okay, John, and then email address must be john@modular.com. Sorry. Okay, modular.com. Okay, incoming server. Okay, the incoming server and outgoing server, we must follow the IP address mail server. So here 192.168.1.3. okay, so both of them must be same email. So we can copy paste also can, or we can type manually also can. Okay, the username is John, and then the password must apply 1 until 6. Okay, so once done ready, click save it. Okay, so this part done. Okay, then close it, and then go to a Michael PC C1. Okay, from here click on email. Okay, your name is a Michael. Okay, email Michael alias modular.com. okay, so Michael alias modular.com. so the incoming server like just now, same also 1.3. okay, so the username also Michael, and then the password 1 until 6. okay, once done ready, click save it. Okay, now the final part, I try to send one email from John to Michael. Okay, so I go to John PC, click on email, Okay, so now I compose the email to Michael. Okay, Michael alias modular.com. Okay, subject test. Okay, here batch 3. Okay, I just put like that. Okay, and then send. Okay, once then, see here, sending mail Michael with subject test, send receive. Okay, so now we try to receive in a Michael PC. Okay, close it and then go to Michael PC, go to email and then receive it. Okay, so once click receive, see here, so we send from Michael, right? Sorry, John, we receive here already. Okay, now we just reply from here, click on reply. Okay, otherwise I will send a new email lah. Okay, compose to John alias modular.com. Okay, modular.com, subject test. Here I will put hello world. Okay, I will put hello world. John. Okay, I will send now. Okay, send. Okay, I send ready. Okay, once send, now we check receive from John PC. Okay, click on it and then go to email and then receive it. Okay, see, successfully we done our part here. Okay, so these are the steps of email configuration. Okay, thank you guys.